So hello everyone. So students, last time we have started a chapter that is pair of linear equations into variables. Okay, now up till now we have seen that what is pair of linear equation into variables. Then after that we have learned how to find the solutions of this equation by using three different methods, that is substitution, elimination. Okay, I'm going to write that methods over here. First one we have learned, that is substitution, then elimination, and then third, cross multiplication. Method. Okay, now we have seen that a linear equation is of the form generally ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where this x and y are the variables. Okay, and this a, b and c are nothing but the any real numbers. Now we are going to focus on these variables. Okay, now if you look at the power of this variable, it is, if no power is there means it is 1. For this variable also no power is there means it is 1. Okay, so this is what a standard form of an linear equation with two variables. Okay, now today we are going to learn equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Means suppose an equation is present which is not in this form, then we have to reduce it to this form, and then we have to find its a solution by any of these three methods. Okay, so let us consider first example. Okay, now here in example number 1 we have 2 upon x plus 3 upon y equals to 13. Second equation is 5 upon x minus 4 upon y equals to minus 2. Okay, now if you look at this both the equation, it can be seen that the variables are present, two variables, but they are present in denominator. We don't want these variables in denominator, so if we try to bring these variables in numerator, so this will become 2x raised to minus 1 plus 3y raised to minus 1 equals to 13, and the second equation will be 5x raised to minus 1 minus 4y raised to minus 1 equals to minus 2. Now if you look at the power of this variable, it is negative, and we don't want this power to be negative, we want it to be positive, so we cannot consider this one. Okay, so right now this method is wrong. Okay, so then what we have to do, then we have to solve it by reducing this equation, that is this one is also an equation, into a linear equation. This equation is not a linear equation. Linear means the variables power when they come to the numerator is not positive power with 1. Okay, we want it to be only plus 1. This one is minus 1. So now what we are going to do, we are going to consider substitute. Okay, this can be written as, I am writing it here, 2 upon x can be written as 2 into 1 upon x. Okay, and 3 upon y, it can be written as 3 into 1 upon y. So now what we are going to do, we are going to substitute this 1 upon x as any variable other than x, and 1 upon y any variable. Okay, any other variable other than these two alphabets. Okay, so let us try to solve it. So let 1 upon x equals to a and 1 upon y equals to b. Okay, therefore above equations become, now here it can be seen that it is 2 upon x. We have learned that it can be written as 2 into 1 upon x. Now 1 upon x, if we are considering as a, so this will become as 2a. Okay, so now instead of this one, what I can write, it can be written as 2a plus 3b equals to 13. Now this is our equation number 1. Okay, and Now what will be our second equation? So it will be 5x, sorry, it will be 5a minus okay, now it is correct. So it will be 5a minus 4b equals to minus 2. Now this is our equation number 2. Okay, now what we have to do, now we are going to solve this equation for which variable? For the variable a and b. Now it can be seen that this b variable is having opposite sign, so we are going to eliminate this one. Okay, how to eliminate this one? We have to make this b, coefficient of b, same. So how to make it same? So we will multiply this equation by 4 and this one by 3. Okay, so now multiplying equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3, we get, now what do we get? So we have to multiply this equation by 4. So what you will get? You will get 2 4s are 8a plus 12b equals to 56. Now this is our equation number 3. Okay, similarly we can write it for another one. Sorry, I have written here 56, it is 52. Okay, now next will be, now we have to multiply this equation, okay, with what? Equation number 2. By what we are going to multiply? We are going to multiply it by 3. Okay, so what will be our next equation? That will be 3 5s are 15a minus 12b equals to minus 6. Okay, now this is our equation number 4. Now what we are going to do? We are going to eliminate this one. How to eliminate this one? We have to, opposite signs are there, so we will add in. Okay, adding equation 3 and 4, we get, now what do we get? So I am writing it here, 8a plus 12b equals to 52 and 15a minus 12b equals to minus 6. Okay, when you are going to add, there will be no change in the sign of this number. So now this plus 12b and minus 12b will get cancelled, then remaining you will get 15 plus 8, that is 23 a equals to, now these both are having opposite sign, that is 52 and minus 6, so you will get 52 minus 6 as 46. Okay, therefore a equals to 46 upon 23, therefore a equals to 2. Now we have to substitute value of this a, that is equals to 2, in any of these 4 equation. Okay, so right now I am going to substitute it in equation number 1. Okay, so now what we have to write? Now substituting a equals to 2 in equation 1, we get, now first we have to write that what is that equation number 1. Okay, so our equation number 1 is, okay, wait, so our equation number 1 is 2a plus 3b equals to 13. Okay, now instead of a, what we will consider? 2 into, now wherever a is there, we have to put the value as 2. 2 plus 3b equals to 13, therefore you will get 4 plus 3b equals to 13, Therefore 3b equals to 13 minus 4. What we have done, we have changed the side of this 4. Here it was plus, on the other side it will become minus. So you will get 3b equals to 9. Therefore b equals to 9 upon 3. Therefore b equals to 3. Okay, now we are having value of both a and b. Okay, but if you look above, a is nothing but what, 1 upon x. Okay, and b is nothing but 1 upon y, and this x and y are our original variables. So what we are going to do, instead of a, what we are going to put, 1 upon x. Okay, but 1 upon x equals to a and 1 upon y equals to b. Therefore 1 upon x equals to, now instead of a, what you will write here, value of a, which we got it from here, that is value of a is how much, it is nothing but 2. Okay, and 1 upon y equals to value of b, that is 3. Okay, therefore 1 upon 2 equals to x and 1 upon 3 equals to y, that is x equals to 1 upon 2, y equals to 1 upon 3 is solution of given equation. Okay, so in this way what we have learned, that, let us revise it once again. We have learned that here we were having an equation with two variables, but this was not linear. When it will become linear, when these variables come to numerator. So directly we cannot bring this one in numerator, because if it comes in numerator, their power changes to negative, then it won't be a linear equation. So what we have done, we have substituted this one. First, what we have learned, that 2 upon x can be written as 2 into 1 upon x, and 3 upon y can be written as 3 into 1 upon y. So now what we have done, we have considered 1 upon x equals to a and 1 upon y equals to b. Then after putting this one, our equation, that is this equation, will be changed into this format. Okay, now here the power of this variable is 1, for this variable is also 1. So now this is what, a linear equation with two variables. Further we have solved it by using any one of the three method we can use. Right now I have solved it by using elimination method. Now after getting that one, what you have to do, you have to check, we are getting values for a and another value we are getting it for b. Okay, but a and b are not our original variables. Why? Our original variable is x and y. So again we have considered that 1 upon x is nothing but equals to a and 1 upon y is nothing but equals to b. From that you get that x equals to 1 upon 2 and y equals to 1 upon 3. Okay, so this much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.